Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kamara Reaction. So this is another video reaction to the boy, one and only, the Canadian himself, Justin Bieber. You gotta keep an eye out for Selena. So this is his song called Purpose on the Freedom Experience tour that he's doing this year, 2021. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be something very Christian-y, religious, God-worthy type of song, and I am happy that it's uplifting the ones out there who put a lot of worship. Me personally, no, but I'm curious to see what it's going to give me. For the two videos I react to, hopefully YouTube doesn't block it. I comment the fact that Justin Bieber surprised me more than I expected. Vocally, I seen that his voice really matured into the man that he is today. And I think now he's mostly focusing more on his craft, on the creative side, mentally and physically and spiritually and financially. And I am happy. And I said before in one of my videos that I will also search to see which tour is close to my area, and I don't mind attending to see him live myself and see if I can also get this experience I needed to be like, oh shit, I can't wait to see Justin. But right now it's like, I like what I'm getting. So let's go see Purpose for God.
Feeling like I'm breathing my
He looks good. Come on with the dramatics.
like I'm walking my last steps. Look at all of these tears I've wept. Look at all the promises that I've kept. I put my all into your hands, and the soul to keep. I let you in with all that I can.
Oh, he sounds good.
You're not hard to reach, and you bless me with the best gift that I've ever known. You give me purpose.
Okay.
Every day you give me purpose. In every way, thinking my journey's come to an end. Sending out a farewell to my friends. For inner peace, ask you to forgive me for my sins. Oh, would you please? I'm more than grateful for the time we've spent. My spirit's at ease. I put my all into your hands. Learn the lessons you teach, no matter when, wherever I am.
Oh.
You're not hard to reach. You're not hard, no matter when, wherever I am. You're not hard to.
They look like TikTok stars.
And you bless me with the best gift that I've ever known. You give me purpose. Yeah, you've given me purpose in every way. Oh, you are my everything. Oh,
I live for the band, live for the band.
my everything.
Okay, Justin. Okay.
Don't do the voiceover. Do it. Play music. God is in this room right now. I want you to put your hands up. God is here right now.
Okay.
He's in the midst of our pain and our struggle right now. I want you to put your hands up. You are not alone, do you hear me? You are not alone. You are not alone. You are not alone. You are not alone.
Come on, band.
You are not alone. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
Okay.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
Taking us to church.
Jesus.
Okay, so that was Purpose from Justin Bieber live at his The Freedom Experience tour. Okay, it's a very nice song, very uplifting song, and I hope the song touched the hearts of his fans. And they take something from it. For me personally, all this spiritual journey and stuff, don't care for it too much. But for everybody else who's going through that and learning and growing and evolving, like I'm growing and evolving, it's very spiritual. I'm here for it. I'm watching basically him went to his adolescence, teenage phase, a rebel, and now maturing into the young man, his wife. I love to see it. I don't have anything else to say. But thanks for the person who gave me this recommendation. I really appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me back to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to it sooner. But it's always looking at you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.